In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit journal entry in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, first you want to go to the settings cogwheel top right, and then you want to go to chart of accounts over here under your company. Now, when you are inside here, what you want to do is basically find the relevant account where you have your journal entry you want to edit. So I'm going to go to checking over here, and I'm going to click on view register over here under action. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to display your bank register for that specific account. Of course, if you made a mistake, you can go ahead and change the account up here as well. And then you simply want to find your journal entry. This is going to be referenced as journal inside the type over here. So for me, I have one over here. I'm going to click on it anywhere. And then over here, you can basically edit this. So click on the edit button over here, and it's going to pop it up like this. And you can change whatever you want. So for example, if I do like 1100, and if I change it to that, I can just go ahead and click on save and close, and whenever you do this, you'll see, there we go, this has now been changed. Just don't forget to save it, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.